In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's bulk create in order to run your social media. This is great for administrators who wants to share out a quote of the day or something to reflect on every single day, and it's going to save you a lot of time. We're also going to use ChatGPT to app smash this to make the process a lot easier. Check it out. All right, let's get right into it. I want you to head over to ChatGPT, and we're going to come up with a prompt that's going to give us 25 educational, motivational quotes that a principal might share with their staff and students. All right, so I put that in there. I'm going to go ahead and hit generate, and here they come. So it's going to make a list. It's going to make 25. As it keeps going, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy all of these. Okay, I'm going to let this go ahead, and then what I'm going to do is open up a Google Sheet. So what I did is I waited and I got all 25 of them there, and then from there what we're going to do is go to File, go to Download, and save as a comma separated values document, so CSV file. So you go ahead and do that. Save it to your downloads or wherever you want to put it. And then what we're going to do is head over to Canva. All right, so let's bring that in here. We're going to go to the templates area, and we're going to take a look at social media. And over here at social media, we can pick what we want to do here. I'm going to just choose an Instagram reel just to have a little fun with it. From the reel, what we could do is search templates, and I'm just going to put a quote here. All right, so if we search for quote, you could come down here and kind of pick whichever one that you find interesting. I'm going to try putting educational quote on there, see if it gives me some backgrounds that I like. I kind of like this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one, and we're going to customize it. All right, once that comes up, what we want to do is we want to put all our quotes into this box. So what we have to do is go over to apps, and we go down to an app called Bulk Create. When you get to Bulk Create, what we want to do is upload data, and we're going to select that CSV file that we just made. All right, so when we do that, it'll take a second or two to pop up. There it goes. So right here, it's saying that it recognizes this data field from the CSV file. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the area on our template that we want it to change. When you click on it, it's going to say connect data. So we will connect it. All right, and we will click the quote like so. What that's going to do then is we are going to continue, and all of our quotes are going to pop up from that CSV file, and then we say connect or generate 24 designs. All right, so we create the 24 designs, and now we have all of our quotes in there. Now the only thing that you're going to have to do, and this might take a little bit of time, is go in and put the quotes where you want them. All right, so, and we would be done. Now, obviously, before you do this create, what I would do is change everything else on there. So if you want to put like quote of the day or reflection of the day or whatever it is, make sure that your template is there, and then you can add the quote. But as you can see here, we have all 25 of our quotes in there, and then maybe you could share it as a teacher or administrator with your students and just have them kind of take a look at it and discuss what it means for a 2-minute warm-up, or as part of the morning show or the morning announcements. But I hope this helps. This is how you could easily run social media quotes in Canva.